Hi, I'm Larry with Welco. Today we're going to be demonstrating the replacement of the insert on an RF valve. Typically it would be mounted in line with a pipe. We don't have a pipe here, unfortunately. You would leave the top two bolts mounted. You would remove the bottom two bolts. Today we're going to flip it upside down. You'll start by removing the 4 bolts that are holding the bottom on. With those 4 bolts taken off, the bottom should just slide off. From here you'll have a bolt that's connected to this rod. You just need to loosen it on each side. So with those 2 nuts loose, the bars that are holding the pinch piece should pull apart and you can just slide this out. With that out of the way, the insert pops out and then you would just replace it with a new one. You would follow the same steps to put it back together. And that is the simple process of removing the insert in an RF valve. It takes minutes, not hours, so you're back up and running.